Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set a 1-inch margin in Canva. This is especially useful for printing documents or making sure your design stays properly aligned and well-spaced. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, to set a 1-inch margin, we just need to click on File, then click on Settings, and turn on Rulers and Guides. As you can see, a ruler now appears. To create a margin, all we need to do is drag this guide to the 1-inch mark. Let's line that up perfectly. As you can see, we now have a top border. Next, we create the bottom border at the 1-inch mark. Right now, it sits at 0.70, so we will adjust it to the correct position. Now for the sides. On the left border, we drag it to the 1-inch mark. Then, for the right border, we drag it to match the 1-inch mark on the right side as well. And that's how we set a 1-inch margin in Canva. With this simple setup, we can keep our designs neat, balanced, and print ready.